Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inkem, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button. So this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a straight bob crochet wig using braid extension. The extension I'm using today is color 39, and I'm going to cut it into 4 places, like cut 4, and then I'll stretch it out before using it. And you can use a pre-stretch hair if you want. That is, if you have this length in a pre-stretch hair, you can use that.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
So this is a crochet hook I'm going to use it, and I'm using an adjustable wig cap. Like, this is the cap I'm using, guys. So I'm going to take this quantity of braid extension and then start crocheting it to the wig cap. Now this method is so easy. You pass the crochet hook through the wig cap and just crochet it. I'm going to repeat this process again. Also, I'm going to show you guys 2 different ways you can make a closure. Just keep on watching, guys. And if you've watched to this point, you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next upload. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up because it is very helpful, guys. It helps the video and it helps my channel, so give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
When you're crocheting on your wig cap, just make sure that the space you're giving are not too much, because if it's too much, the hair will come out so scanty.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
For the front part of this wig, or for the top part of this wig, I'm going to show you guys how I close it up to look really flawless, like really flawless, to make it look like it is not a crochet wig at all. So to do that, I'm going to tie a thread from one end to the other and then start putting the extension on it.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on remembering.
After crocheting it, this is what I have. This is the quantity I want to use, so this is what I have. If you want to do this on like all the wig, you have to do more of this, which will take time, and also it consumes a lot of extension as well. So I'm going to tie this up to make a knot here so that it will not fall off. Like, if you don't tie this, it will actually go out of the rope when you're using it. So this is what I have after tying it. This knot here is what I have. I'm going to sew in my lace net to the wig cap, and after sewing it, I'm going to cut out the wig cap under the lace net. Just cut it out before I start crocheting.
But it's not like I need it, and we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately.
I'm going to sew in the braid extension now to this closure, and then just leave a little part that I will ventilate on, because honestly I am not in the mood for like doing this whole work, you guys. It really takes time to ventilate a closure. Like, it takes time to make a closure. So I'm just going to sew in this extension here, sew it to the lace net before I start making the closure.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
After sewing in the extension, this is what we have, and it looks so natural and very fine. Like, it looks like a normal weave, like the way you sew your normal weave on. This is how it looks like. So this is it. I'm going to use this crochet hook here. This is how it looks like. It's really small, guys, so I'm going to use it to start making the closure. And for people that always complain that this tears up their net, I'm going to show you guys another way you can do this. So just keep on watching. And funny enough, I've not really experienced that, but a lot of people do complain that this tears up their net. So you guys are seeing me using it. It doesn't tear up my net, and it still come out looking all nice. I don't know how you guys do yours, but I do mine so well that it doesn't tear my net. So I'm going to crochet it to the wig cap and show you guys the ventilating pin you can use to crochet on your wig cap. The ventilating pin you can use to crochet or to make your closure. Now this ventilating pin, I bought it for around 5,000 naira for this ventilating pin. That is how expensive it is, unlike this other crochet tool that is quite cheap. This is the ventilating pin. It comes with 4 different type of needle, and I've already gone ahead to fix it up. Like, I literally watched a video to fix this up, guys. It wasn't easy fixing it up, so I watched a video on how to do it, and here we have it. Hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm doing clearly, and just keep on watching. You grab it.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done? Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. At me. Don't know what to do, what to say to make you leave with me. Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're
So I'm just going to dip this into hot water and then blow dry it and start using my hot comb on it.
open eye? Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Dripping lights paint the sky.
To get this beautiful combination I have in mind, because I've had this combination in mind for a long time now, to get this combination, what I did was I actually used my mascara to apply at the top. Now there's a disadvantage that comes to using your mascara to apply at the top, because it will stain, like it will make your hand get dirty, but you get what you want. So I'm going to use my mascara and the brush to just apply at the top of this wig to give me this black and this color I have here. I really like this combination. I don't know if you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section. But for me, I love this combination, guys. And this is what we have here. This wig is beautiful. It's a cute bob wig that you can rock to virtually anywhere and everywhere, guys.
Because of you, dripping lights paint the sky. Only you. So
So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to share this video to as many people as you want to share it to. Sharing is free. Share it to everyone you know, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Turn on the post notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.